The interplay of fluid mechanics and marine biology. The ocean is a vast and complex ecosystem, a home of myriad life forms. Understanding how these organisms interact with their environments requires the integration of various scientific disciplines, one of which is fluid mechanics. This explores the fascinating interplay between fluid mechanics and marine biology. Fluid mechanics is a branch of physics, deals with the motion of fluids and the forces acting on them. In the marine context, this includes understanding water currents, waves, and tides. On the other hand, marine biology is concerned with the study of organisms in the ocean and their interaction with it other, each other and their environment. It encompasses a wide range of topics, including the study of marine organisms, physiology, behavior, contribution, and the ecosystem they inhabit. This too is evident in the study of marine locomotion. Many marine organisms, such as fish and squid, use the principle of fluid mechanics to move efficiently through water. By understanding how these creatures navigate their aquatic environment, scientists can gain insights into evolutionary adaptation and inspire innovative design in underwater technology. Furthermore, the principles of fluid mechanics are applied in the study of coral reef formation. This is not only enhances our understanding of this critical ecosystem but also informs strategies for their preservation. The interplay between fluid mechanics and marine biology reveals a dynamic relationship where physical principles significantly impact biological processes. By integrating these two disciplines, scientists can gain deeper insight into ocean life, contributing to advancement in environmental conservation and technological innovation. The study of this interplay underscores the importance of interdisciplinary approaches in understanding the complexities of our natural world.